Module 4.5, Noun Class 5 and 6. Class 5 and 6 is also a hodgepodge of different words, including also animals, body parts, clothing, and also some of the borrowed words. All the words starting with the noun prefix "ely" belongs to class 5, but some words just starting with the "e" also belongs to class 5, and those can be confusing and actually just have to be learnt as class 5 nouns. But class 6 is very easy. All words starting with an ama belongs to class 6. And again, class 6 is your plural of class 5. So we're going to look at some examples. So in class 5, we have those two noun prefixes. If the noun does only have one syllable, then you might see the "ili." But any of the nouns that have two syllables, the "li" falls away and you just see the "e," which can make it difficult to differentiate, for example, from a class 9 noun. And then the plural of that, class 6, the noun prefix is ama. So let's just look at some examples. Sun or sons, ilanga, class 5, the plural, amalanga. Horse, ihashe, is the class 5 noun, amahashe is the plural. Name, which we've come across before, igama is name, amagama would be names, and then the word for sky or for skies, izulu is a sky, and amazulu, skies. It's when we look at the verb link that it becomes a little bit more interesting. So in class 5, the subject concord that's going to link our verb to our noun is li. And so therefore a word like ilanga, when you want to say the sun is shining, again there's your verb kanya, ilanga liya kanya, with that li referring to your class 5 noun. So let's look at the next example, liyana. Liyana means literally it is raining, and that li is actually referring to the word izulu. So what we are actually saying is the sky is raining. Izulu is a class 5 noun, and therefore the subject concord that refers to Izulu is that li, liyana. Of course, one can also say kuyana, which is the indefinite ku in front of na. Our last example there is the horse is walking, or horse would be one of those nouns you would just learn as a class 5 noun. There's no L to give you a clue. But when you want to say the horse is walking, it's ihashe ayahamba. And that li again is referring to ihashe, which is a class 5 noun. And let's quickly then look at class 6, which is the plural of our class 5. Again, we have our subject concord there, which is just the simple letter a. So if I want to say the horses are walking, walking is my verb, and that a is going to be linking me to my class 6 noun. So the horses are walking, Amahashe, ayahamba. And another example, when you want to say the teeth are shining, Amazinho, ayakanya. Continue to learn these nouns in their little pairs, class 5 and 6 pairs, to help you recognize the plural more easily.